Hello everyone, this is a question from 2019 from chapter 1, cell structure. As you can see, there are 4 letters showing different parts of the cell, and question is asking which combination correctly identifies the labeled cell structures. So let's go ahead one by one. Cell surface membrane or cell wall, which one is P? Definitely is referring to this area. This is not going to be cell membrane because it's thicker than cell membrane, and by looking into the other parts of the cell you can see that this is a plant cell, so definitely this is cell wall. So let's circle for cell wall in both. The second letter is Q. You have 2 options, cytoplasm or vacuole. Definitely this is not a cytoplasm, because if it was, it could be something like this. This area is cytoplasm. It has other organelles inside, so that's going to be cytoplasm here. So this area definitely is a vacuole. This is a vacuole, and you can see the clearance and nothing inside. Almost you can see that it's very clear. So that's going to be vacuole. Let's circle vacuole. And then the other option is either mitochondrion and chloroplast. So since the structure is not mitochondrion, because as you can see the structure is different. It has the chloroplast sac, and it has the thylakoid. These are thylakoids, and definitely it's a chloroplast. You can circle here chloroplast, and then the last part is referring to either it is a nucleus or nucleolus. So nucleus is actually the whole part. That's the whole is as a nucleus, but the nucleolus is the small part, this one. So this is nucleolus. So you are going to choose nucleolus here. So which row has all of them? As you can see, D is the correct answer.